Is this the next evolution of camping? Off-road ready, family approved. Behind me, Aliner Evolution 15, 2 queen beds and a hidden feature. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's get into it. Aliner's bragging this thing is off-road ready, and I can totally see it walking up to this thing. But I'm gonna also throw in off-grid. And why? Because this thing has solar. We have a standard solar panel on the front dormer, and you can even option in the solar panel on the rear. Quick solar panel ports, set it up and you can go off grid. Now, as far as storage, this thing definitely has everything you're gonna need to go off road or off grid. I love the fact that this model has 2 big, wide exterior doors up front, and you also have a third one in the back, just in case you need to sneak in some of those extra little goodies. We do have a prep for an exterior propane grill, so you can really enjoy what Mother Nature has for you for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And when I said off-road package or off-road ready, this definitely has an off-road package. It has an extra couple inches of lift on the axle, but the aggressive, knobby, big tires are definitely going to handle those trails. Well, man, this is definitely family approved. You step inside, we have tons of room. Definitely a lot of head height. I love this floor plan. Anyway, let's get into the floor plan itself. So as you guys can see, I'm on the rear side of the camper. This is your full sofa bed. As obviously you can see here, we have it set up in the sofa. But the kicker to this floor plan, we have 2 full queen beds, 60 by 80 mattresses. This is gonna slide out like a futon, make into that first queen bed. We'll show you how quick and easy that is. As I mentioned outside, Aliner says this is off-road. I'm gonna throw in that off-grid. How? Because we have the solar panels, we have 12 volt at our disposal when we're off-grid with this good old Mother Nature throwing us some sun, and of course your battery up front. So what does that mean for us inside? We can run a lot of stuff. We have outlets, 12 volt, both USB, as well as a good old classic car cigarette lighter, 12 volt, if we have any portable devices. Your refrigerator is 12 volt as well. It's a 3.2 cubic refrigerator to be able to get some of those essential goodies in. And of course, with our water, we're gonna have a 12 volt pump that we can access 35 gallons of fresh water whenever we choose. And don't worry, if you need a little bit of hot water, we've got an instant water heater that definitely can run off grid. Now we also have, if you're plugged into electric, we also have an AC heat pump. So whether it's the springtime or the fall time, we'll definitely be able to have an awesome climate control happening inside. But furnace wise, if you're off grid, don't worry, you still have that. That is good old fashioned 12 volt fan powered by, or I shouldn't say powered, but supplied with your propane. In the galley, we again, propane wise, we can get our cooking done with the 2-burner propane grill setup, as well as a nice kitchen sink. And if we need a little bit more extra counter space, these both will fold down, nice glass counter covers to those. Opposite of the kitchen, those midnight potty breaks, don't worry, Aliner's got you covered with a cassette toilet. Simply lift up the cabinet or countertop that you see, and we've got a little bit of a cassette toilet business going on right there. Up front, there's your other magic area. A lot going on up here. As you guys can see, this is a huge booth. We have seating for 4, because you're probably going to sleep 4, because this is that second queen bed that we'll show you how to set up here shortly. But I just have a lot of width. I have a ton of head height. I love just the overall feel of this compared to some of those other Aliner models. So if you want to go big, this is definitely the one. But anyway, enough of my rambling. As you guys can see, we have a table here that we can set up for 4. We got a bed that we can set up into the second queen bed. And then the hidden feature, it's below the table. So been waiting for it, the hidden feature. Let me just clue you in. 100-degree weather. Little Johnny's been playing all day. He may not smell so good at night. Guess what? You can shower him up. The hidden feature is stuck in the floor. This Aliner model has a hidden shower base. As you guys can see here, it's a nice stainless steel shower. Obviously, we don't have all the components here, but there's a shower head as well as a full shower curtain. This thing is 32 inches by 32 inches, so definitely can get an adult or a kid in here, shower up, and go to bed clean. So is this the next evolution of small campers? I think so. Give us a thumbs up if you agree. Comment below, because I'm sure there's some answers I got to get to your questions. And everybody, show our channel some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.